You will learn equilibrium concentration and Gibbs free energy, relationship between the Gibbs free energy and equilibrium constant, predicting the value of the equilibrium constant from Gibbs free energy. Gibbs free energy determines the spontaneity of the reaction. When the change in the Gibbs free energy, delta G, equals negative, the reaction is spontaneous. When the change in the Gibbs free energy, delta G, equals positive, the reaction is non-spontaneous. When the change in the Gibbs free energy, delta G, equals 0, then the reaction is said to be in equilibrium. The thermodynamics gives the relation between the reaction quotient and the change in the Gibbs free energy. Equations give the relationship between the Gibbs free energy and the equilibrium constant of a given reaction. Equilibrium constant can be used to predict the sign of the delta G naught. The sign conventions for the spontaneous and non-spontaneous reactions are given here. You have learnt equilibrium is a condition when the change in the Gibbs free energy is 0. When the change in the Gibbs free energy is positive, then the reaction is non-spontaneous. When the change in the Gibbs free energy is negative, then the reaction is spontaneous. When the change is 0, then it is at equilibrium. Relation between equilibrium and the standard Gibbs free energy is given. When the standard Gibbs free energy is a very large negative, then that indicates equilibrium constant is very large and hence the reaction goes to completion. Whereas, when the standard Gibbs free energy is a large positive, then the reaction would not proceed to product since the equilibrium constant is very low.